Welcome to Breheimen, Norway's hidden sanctuary of glaciers and wild beauty. Here, ancient ice and deep valleys create a landscape that's both powerful and peaceful. Breheimen National Park protects this pristine wilderness, inviting us to explore with respect. Nestled in southern Norway, it bridges famous mountain regions like Jotunheimen and Jostedalsbreen, yet remains tranquil and uncrowded. The journey here is as breathtaking as the destination. Scenic drives reveal towering peaks and crisp mountain air. In Breheimen, glaciers meet gentle valleys, and the silence is broken only by birds or streams. This is a place to pause, breathe deeply, and feel awe at nature's scale. Whether you're hiking or simply soaking in the views, Breheimen offers a rare chance to reconnect with the wild. The scent of pine, the cool air, and endless vistas create memories that linger. It's a land where humility and wonder go hand in hand. Breheimen is an invitation to discover Norway's wild heart, ancient, ever-changing, and unforgettable. Let's begin our journey into this remarkable landscape. Glaciers are the soul of Breheimen, vast living rivers of ice that shape the land. Their blue depths and creaking movements connect us to Earth's ancient past. The mighty Jostedalsbreen, Europe's largest ice cap, stretches its influence here, while smaller glaciers like Harbertsbreen and Sportegbreen add their own character. Each glacier is unique, dazzling white after snow or glowing blue in summer sun. Standing near a glacier, you feel the chill and hear the ice groan, a reminder of nature's raw power. These glaciers aren't just beautiful, they're vital to the ecosystem and powerful indicators of climate change. As global temperatures rise, these icy giants retreat, making each visit more poignant. Scientists study them closely, and their shrinking size is a call to action for us all. Witnessing their majesty inspires a desire to protect these fragile wonders. The glaciers of Breheimen are more than scenery, they're a living testament to the planet's story. Their presence defines this region, making it truly unique in Norway. To see them is to understand the delicate balance of nature. Let's explore the world shaped by these frozen rivers. Beyond the glaciers, Breheimen's valleys burst with life and color. U-shaped valleys carved by ancient ice now bloom with wildflowers in summer. Meadows become vibrant tapestries, mountain avens, purple saxifrage, and buttercups thrive in the clean air. Walking here is like stepping into a living painting where the scent of flowers and the buzz of insects fill the air. The landscape shifts from sparse alpine plants near the glaciers to lush birch forests below. Each trail reveals new vistas and a rich palette of plant life. These green valleys are vital for wildlife, offering grazing and shelter for countless species. Old farmsteads tell stories of human connection to the land. Gentle hikes let you immerse yourself in this tranquil, ever-changing world. In Breheimen, the dialogue between ice and life is always unfolding. Water shapes every corner of Breheimen, from roaring waterfalls to tranquil lakes. Glacial melt feeds clear streams and rivers, carving through valleys and nourishing the land. Waterfalls cascade down cliffs, some thunderous, others delicate, always mesmerizing. In late spring and early summer, snowmelt makes them especially dramatic. Glacial lakes, turquoise or emerald from suspended rock flour, mirror the sky and mountains. Their stillness offers moments of deep peace and reflection. Quiet rivers wind through meadows and forests, their pure waters a source of life. In many mountain streams, the water is so clean you can drink it. These waterways are essential to Breheimen's ecosystems and a joy for visitors. Whether you're hiking, kayaking, or simply sitting by the shore, water is the heartbeat of this wild place. Breheimen's abundance of fresh water is one of its greatest treasures. Breheimen is a haven for rare wildlife. Arctic foxes, wild reindeer, and golden eagles all call it home. Alpine plants add color to the rocky terrain, thriving in this unique environment. Exploring Breheimen doesn't require extreme adventure. Gentle hikes and quiet moments are just as rewarding. Well-marked trails suit all levels, offering stunning views and encounters with nature. Photography here captures everything from sweeping vistas to tiny wildflowers. Respect is key. Follow leave no trace principles, stay on trails, and keep noise low to protect this fragile place. Our mindful presence helps preserve Breheimen's magic for future generations. The peace and grandeur of this landscape remind us of our connection to the wild. Let Breheimen inspire you to cherish and protect the natural world. Travel here is a privilege. Let's be good stewards of this Norwegian treasure. As you explore, absorb the tranquility and let it stay with you long after you leave. Breheimen is more than a destination. It's a call to safeguard the beauty that sustains us all.